Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm with my friend. He's the cameraman.
Yeah.
This cameraman.
This is my first time, by the way.
Yeah. And remember, face reveal 5,000.
Yep.
Now.
And I will try to actively avoid revealing his face. Do not look at the camera, okay? And he throws it in. Oh! Remember, the phone's at you. The second one was kind of advanced. Remember, it's a face reveal at 5K, so he's trying to...
My brother's turn, aka best friend. Do you want to try?
Yeah, sure.
Am I allowed to show your face?
Yeah, I'm the cameraman.
Hey, this is the cameraman.
Hello.
His name is Oliver. Cool name as hell, man. Okay. Try again. Okay, cool. Try.
It kind of touched me, but hey, at least I'm ready.
Oh. You can get another try.
Sure.
Until you hit.
I guess.
To the basket. If you want to join a bird family, I'm about to make a Discord. Until you hit. Yeah. Lock the heck in. Remember, face reveal at 5K. We're training each other, so don't. It might be a little bad, but yeah. It might be a little bad, but we're still learning. Basketball god. Oh.
Alright, I guess your turn.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Until you hit. So this is not going to be. I might swear a little. Like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? I will also upload some videos without swearing for the little kids, of course, so they don't miss out on this awesome content. You don't have to subscribe. I know that some people don't have an account, and I totally understand you. I actually didn't have an account, so but now I do. I don't know. If there's any ads, I'm sorry. I don't control the ads, I think. Oh, holy hit.
A lot of tries.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Remember, hide your face. Holy shit. Yo, this thing. Yeah, remember that camera's on you.
Oh yeah, are you guys ready?
Yep. Everybody's ready. Are you about? I'm also the viewers. Sorry if the camera is shaking. I almost died a lot of times. Remember, face hidden. Don't worry, the camera isn't at you. Don't worry.
So, yep. It's gonna be the last shot for today because we gotta go inside of our school. Yeah, we're filming this at school. See ya, guys. Peace out, birdies.